Good Friday, April 18th, and welcome back to our regular scheduled videos here, hopefully, or what's going to be regular scheduled videos. We're looking at the swamp buggy in the yard here, and this is hopefully the next project. Dad's been talking about this job now for more than a month. And what we're going to do is we're going to roll that right over to the pad. We're going to sand and get all that rust off and all the old paint and clean this machine up. And the rest of the parts for this are in the shop right now. Dad has a good engine and a transmission that he did compression test on. So right now, it's been kind of a 3-week hurry up and wait. Dad's working on the black airboat still. What ended up happening is we got the wrong heads, and then we sent those back with the customer. We ordered what we thought was the right heads, and they turned out to be the wrong ones, one number off in the catalog. Then it was an emergency, get this shipped out here correctly. And after a bunch of horrible waiting days, we got the right heads in. So he's got the heads on and it's got the right gaskets, and then we had to wait for new intake gaskets. That only took a day though. So kind of looks a little rough here right now, this machine, but the snow's still, around it. But this is the goal. If we can get those airboats out of here, we are going to start working on this baby. Now, tags wise, I don't even know what kind of model this is. But this one here, it says it was inspected by Bombardier. I'm assuming it is a Bombardier. Anybody knows exactly what style and type this is, I'd very much appreciate it, or where to find the tag on here, because I don't see the tag anywhere. And yeah, so we're going to clean all this out. And we do actually, like I said, have all the parts for this. We're probably going to end up doing new windows here. For sure this one. And new rubbers. And work on that escape hatch. And these are the style of tire that you normally would see on the rear mounted ones on the Bombardiers. These are 4 on one side here, but what you don't see is the fact that it's actually 8. And so there's 16 of these types of tires. Now normally we would sell those individual tires at $1,500 each, because that's what they seem to sell for. So if you're doing the math, that's $24,000 worth of tires just on this machine alone. And that doesn't include the fact that we're going to completely rebuild this, paint it, get it all running, and then all the accessory parts in here. So, yeah, I'm a bit of a dummy on this, guys. I don't know exactly which one this is. I want to say it's a 252, but I don't know. I don't really know. But if you guys can comment below and tell me exactly what I'm looking at here. I've just been calling it the swamp buggy, and that's what it is. But we're going to get this, hopefully, up and running here in about a month and a half, maybe 2, probably closer to 2. A lot of easier work in here for Dad, simply because of the fact he's not in tight spaces, and we're going to be able to drop things in quite easily. I think what he said he wants to do first off is actually cut off the top. It's just so that it's all off, and then he can work on everything individually. I don't know if he's going to be pulling off the tires and inspecting the bearings, races, and seals. I'm pretty sure he said they were all done though. And then, yeah, put her all back together. But it'll be interesting to see what this looks like. And you would have seen on a previous video, Dad did the compression test on the engine he's already done on it. I think it's 140 all around. One was tested at 90, but he figures it'll unplug itself and be good. But this is the next project. And without another Bombardier, another customer coming in after our current customer's airboats, this is the project. So stay tuned, and hopefully we'll be rolling out these videos here in the next couple of weeks. And we're just going to go check in on Dad inside and find out what's going on with the airboat.